How to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 not launching crash on startup. For this first step, open run and type the following text tpm.msc, click OK. Check the status. The status should be ready for use and the specification version is 2.0. Make sure it. Close it, then move on with next step. Open run and type the following text msinf432, click OK. The system information will appear. In this you need to check for BIOS mode. It should be UEFI and the secure boot state. It should be in on state. Once complete, after close it, then move on with next step. If you are using Xbox, go to Xbox, open it, click My Library, click Call of Duty, click the three dot icon, click Manage, and click Files, and click Verify and Repair. If you are using Steam, go to Steam, click Library, click Call of Duty, click Properties, click Install File, and click Verify integrity of the game file. Next, if you are using battle.net, go to battle.net, click Call of Duty, click Settings, and click Scan and Repair, and click Begin Scan. Then move on with next step. Search for Device Manager, click it, click Display Adapters, and check the drivers here. You can check it and go to the official website of the drivers, download and install the latest version. Depends on the device, it may vary, so you need to check here, then go and download the latest version, depends on your device. And the next method, you need to right click and click update driver. So these are the two methods to update the drivers. Next step, click settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down, search for gaming services, click the three dot icon, click advanced option, under reset click repair. Once repair complete, after click reset. Sometimes repair will not work because it's running in background, means it will not work, so you need to click directly reset. Okay, then move on with next step. Search for Xbox, click advanced option, scroll down, under reset click repair. Once the repair complete, after click reset, then close it. Next step, click settings, click Windows Update, and check for update. If there is any download or installation pending having, means you need to download and install it and make your Windows up to date. Then move on with next step. Open this PC, right click, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Make sure you have enough memory space. Successfully scanned, close it. In the last and final step, check your PC meets requirement or not. Here you can check the minimum specification and recommended specifications, the OS, CPU, RAM, video card, video memory, and storage space. Check it. Thank you.